I saw somebody say, hey, do you like dirt racing or drag racing more? You can like horsepower, or you can be wrong! Well, that didn't go as planned. As you can see, I'm sweaty as hell now. Let's see if we can put them on the trailer. Come on. God bless America. Let's party.
Let us spray the pimp sprout.
All right, so it's Friday night and that feeling's right, or however the fuck the song goes. You know what I'm saying? On our way to Electric City Boogaloo, or what? Yeah, Electric City in Butler, Missouri. Fucking go! So there I was at Electric City Speedway. First dirt event in about 4 years. And my brother's running this bitch. Let's see what happens, baby. Allow me to show you the pits. And I see a car I recognize right over there. Mr. 12 himself. Let's go see what this dude's got going up his sleeve here. Proof that there was a goofy little live, laugh, love heart here. The dust caught a hold of it. What do you... Hey.
You're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright.
Any last words?
Oh, yeah.
For the competition?
I'm just going to get out there, put a fender on them.
Fair enough.
You know, pretty much just win.
You want to go ahead and do your winner speech right now?
Yeah, no.
We got a real good hot rod out here.
Oh, yeah. I want to thank Peak Oil, Chevrolet. We got a real fast Chevrolet out here today. Oh, it's going to be crazy.
I can't wait. So this is the class of dirt track racing that my brother's doing right here. Oh my God, I'm so excited for him. I can't wait to see what happens. Here we go, baby.
It's amazing how the modified
Let's see if he does any good. He's got enough stones. He'll throw that bitch sideways. Come on, baby. It's just a warm-up lap, so this is his first time at the dirt, maybe. That was his first lick on some dirt, boy. I couldn't be prouder of him. He just freaking went out there and gave it the stabbing. Donnie, What do you think about old boy's first lick of the dirt, baby?
He did good.
He did hellacious, boy.
Not bad for first time ever.
Not bad for a first timer in the dirt, baby.
Hey, I can't wait to race with him when I get one.
Oh, I'm pumped for him, brother. I can't wait to see that big ass grin out of his face.
Dude, I'm happier than. Oh yeah.
Son, how the fuck was that? That was a blast, dude. You were killing it. First time on dirt, you were moving, son.
Oh, dude.
Hey,
You're addicted, huh?
I saw it. Hey, I saw you come in. I saw you lift too. Oh, when you were backing out, you were hitting the fuck out of this fender.
Yeah, it's rubbing. It's
Right,
nuts,
dude.
huh?
Hey, I think you can. In that corner, you're pushing a little bit. Yeah, you gotta kick that shit.
Okay.
Clutch kick it.
I didn't know.
No, not clutch. No, you did fine, dude.
That's
you were right
bitch.
there. 54 didn't he pass you?
They were all over your tank, bro.
I didn't know he was right behind me.
Right, all over your ass. There was 54, and another guy showed up.
Yeah. Look at
Evil,
happier than
evil Ricky Bobby.
What do you think of that?
That was pretty legit, dude. That was fucking legit. You find the rev limiter a couple times?
Yeah.
trouble staying down, didn't it? It was like,
Yes, sir. First heat race. Go get him, boss man.
You are second heat race. Your second heat race.
My number's not.
Ooh, almost got him.
they got the yellow light out. That's on there, that brought him, and he said he's ready to go. He's waiting for his room. He's gone in the back. In fact, they picked up an extra car with a 54 out there.
Stand on it.
No driver name.
Green flag, green flag, green flag. Go, baby, go! Oh, we got the wall! Oh, we got the wall! Send it, fuck it! Pass that son of a bitch, get him! Fuck yeah! Yes! First race now, you made a pass! Go, baby, go! Oh my God, he's gonna get him! Stick him, baby! Stick him, baby! You fast son of a bitch! You woo! Hell yeah, brother! That's two, baby! You fucking devil, you! Go, baby, go! 2 questions. How badass are you and how you feeling, brother? You okay? You okay?
Oh, the hard hit.
You okay? You fucking smacked hard, but then you came back with 2 passes.
Oh,
On your first race, 2 passes.
yeah,
Brother.
That hurts a little bit.
I would imagine you smacked the shit out of that wall.
Oh, yeah.
Got some ibuprofen?
I'm gonna need some.
You're gonna need some, huh? Dude, fuck yeah, that was badass. Good job. Okay, so this is what happens when you smack a wall doing like 50 or so. In turn 4, the radiator got popped by the shroud over here. And we've been doing ham, egg, and cheese breakfasts trying to get this damn thing to shut up. So we're gonna wait till they call us up, then we're gonna fill it and rip it. Pray to the racing gods we can make her happen. Okay, so as he's pulling on to the track, here he is.
I got the news afterward that the car was already at like 210. All the water and everything that we dumped in the radiator did 0 good. It didn't help at all. But you gotta start the feature to get your 50, 60 bucks, whatever it is. So he's out there, you know, putting the showing on. God bless him, he's freaking it, kept her going.
Green flag, green flag. Wasn't that fun? Okay, so just as a plain English thing, I'm new to dirt, so is he. But apparently, as long as you take the green, you get paid. You get your $60, $100, whatever it is, to be top 16. So he took the green, made a lap. He said he was banging, popping, sounding like garbage. I have no way of not believing him because I can only imagine that gauge was pinging out probably 260, 280, whatever he said it was going off. Oh my God. It's insanely hot. But feeling so freaking proud of him. I couldn't believe how well he did for his first outing in a dirt car. I was shocked. So he says he plans on going back next Friday. I don't think I have a choice. I think I have to go and help him as much if with anything I can. Because that was amazing. That the energy there was so much more. And plus, not for nothing, when's the last time you raced in front of a crowd at a bracket race? Never. I'll tell you that much. It's been probably 40 years since the last dude raced in front of a crowd of a bracket race. Just this couple hundred people was insane. That felt, I could only imagine the eyes, the ears, the woos, the wahs, and watching the other guys race beforehand was so cool. But if I can go out there and watch him, I'll make this a mainstay in the thing that we do. But leave a like, comment. If you got something to say, make it happen.